अच्छा फिर बताओ आज क्या सुनाओगे?
आज I think I'm going to tell you a story, an episode where my whole life was changed. After having passed my masters in zoology from Punjab University, Chandigarh, I have been trying to go abroad, as almost every youngster would like to go. So I was not getting any chance to go abroad. So
Do you want to go to a specific place or any?
no, any place. Actually, I had applied to many universities in US, many universities in Canada, many universities in Australia. I got some response also in Melbourne University in Australia, Halifax University in Canada, and one university in US. Now I've forgotten. Anyway,
What do you
but I didn't go. I couldn't go because of certain limitations. I'll say actually more of it was financial limitations those days. Anyway, to my luck, in 1970 I was married. I beg your pardon. In 69 I was married, and in 1970 Daisy was born. In 1971, in our winter break from Government College Chandigarh, we had gone to Dalhousie for our winter break. Before going to that, this was 71 November. December we went for a break. November I had gone to Delhi for one of the science fairs, which is called annual science fair at the birth of Jawaharlal Nehru, 14th November 1971. I took a party from Government College Chandigarh to participate in science fair, and we had made a working model of human being. All the systems were there. I mean, one could see digestive system, respiratory system, blood vascular system, excretory system, complete man, out of glass, of course, so it was visible. The interesting thing happened there was that my students had gone for lunch break, and some people, the visitors came, and a group of around 5-6 people came there and said that, what is this? And I told them this is a working model of human being, and every system works in here. I didn't explain the systems, but then one of the white persons, they were Britishers. One of the white persons said that, who are you? Which class you are? I said, no, I am not a student. I have brought my students here. What do you mean? What are you? So I told him I am lecturer in zoology, and my students have come here who have brought this project here, and I have. Do you mean you are a teacher? Yes, I'm a teacher. He said that here is my card. If you want to come to Zambia, come and meet me. I said, okay. But that was not important. It was slightly important because my elder brother was in Zambia. So I thought it might be useful. He gave me a card of Zambia. So and so, Secretary Education, Ministry of Education, Government of Zambia. I held that card, and they also walked off, and I also forgot. Finish. Now, what I want to bring in here is actually throughout the story, the chance again, the miracles of God or nature. After lunchtime, the children came and the things went off, and it went off my mind. Even that card was not useful. Later on, I had a professor with me. I showed him. He said, oh, very good, very good. But then he asked me, how can you go? Where are they? I said, I didn't ask where are they. So anyway, it was forgotten. The science fair finished. and I, along with my students and the professor of chemistry, he was Dr. Dulla Singh, we came to the bus stand. This is Delhi bus stand, international bus stand. When I reached the bus stand, my nephew, that means the son of my elder brother, he came running to me and said, Chacha ji, aa chithi hai tuhadi. It was an inland letter. I said, okay. I opened the letter and then I found that letter was sent to me by my parents in Chandigarh, Sector 21, 2196 number ਘਰ 'ਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ. This letter was sent to my brother who was working in Delhi, and he was there was instruction that give this letter to G.S. Paul. I am called doctor in my house. So when I opened, this letter was written in Punjabi by my elder brother in Zambia. ये international letter था, inland letter coming from Zambia to India, चंडीगढ़. तो उस लेटर में पंजाबी में लिखा था कि ज़ाम्बिया की पार्टी यहाँ टीचर्स रिक्रूट करने के लिए आई है, अगर आप जा सकते हो तो जाओ. Then it trickled that I had met that party there and this letter is coming, but we had to go. I told my colleague कि बच्चों को यहाँ बिठाओ, हम थोड़ी देर ठहर के जाते हैं, मैं ये ढूंढ के आता हूँ ये बंदे कहाँ हैं.
तो उस वक्त आप कहाँ पे जाने वाले थे बस स्टैंड?
मैं दिल्ली से चंडीगढ़, हम चंडीगढ़ से पार्टी लेके गए थे ना बच्चों की,
तो वापस जा रहे थे?
तो हम वापस जा रहे थे. तो डॉक्टर दुल्ला सिंह स्टेड देयर फॉर सम टाइम एंड आई वेंट, वो स्कूटर लेके गया, भागा भागा, वो कहीं तो मिला ही नहीं. मतलब आई आस्क्ड माय ब्रदर आल्सो, ही सेड कि मैं तो आप नहीं पता ये कौन ने कितने आए ने. एंड दिस वाज गेटिंग लेट एंड आई वाज एक्चुअली ऑन गवर्नमेंट ड्यूटी and there were children waiting for me, so I was supposed to go back to the bus stand. I went, and but within myself I was not calm. I was very anxious to find out.
And did you know the person's name?
No, I had a card, but where is that person in Delhi? That I didn't know. When next morning when I went to the college, I told my friend, he was steno to the principal, I told him that like this, I have received this letter and there is a party, they have come from Zambia to recruit teachers. We have to find out where is this party. He said, कितना लब लागे? मैं कहा टेलीफोन करो. So we have been trying telephone from here to there to there. Then somebody told us, ring up Ministry of Home Affairs Foreign Assignment Section. So we did. And that party had actually come to Ministry of Home Affairs Foreign Assignment Section. We got the telephone number of Foreign Assignment Section, Ministry of Home Affairs in Delhi, and tried to locate some person in Foreign Assignment Section. I think after 4 hours, we got a person. He picked up the telephone and he said, I am Satish Gulati speaking, and I am speaking for Foreign Assignment Section, and you are right. A party has come to recruit teachers, you can come. And I said, I didn't ask him where was the party. But then he said that only those 2 candidates can come who have registered their name with the Foreign Assignment Section. The ones who have not registered their name in Foreign Assignment Section, they cannot come. He was talking to me on the telephone. मैं कहा जी मेरा नाम तो रजिस्टर नहीं, पर मैनू आन तो दिओ, मैनू तुसीं. वो कहंदा ठीक है जोशी, कहंदा ठीक है तू आ जा, मैं देखूंगा की कर सकते हैं. Oh, I was very happy, and I slammed the hang on the telephone and finished. Now that evening we came home. That gentleman also decided that we'll go to Delhi now. I applied for my leave, casual leave. I came home and I talked to Biro, my wife. कि इदा करके दिल्ली जाना है, इंटरव्यू है फलाना टमकान. शी सेड नो, पैसे नहीं जाया करने तो फलाना कर देगा, चमकाना कर देगा. मैं कहा जी नहीं, मैं तो जाना ही जाना है. So I took 100 rupees and the train used to go from Chandigarh to Delhi midnight, around 12 midnight.
तो आप बस ले चुके थे ऑलरेडी उस दिन और आप चंडीगढ़ पहुंच गए,
चंडीगढ़ पहुंच के अगले दिन
वापस चले गए दिल्ली।
अगले दिन चंडीगढ़ से ये जोशी का पता किया, तो जोशी का पता लग गया और फिर उसी दिन रात को वी स्टार्टेड बैक टू दिल्ली, मैं और दूजा बंदा.
दोनों you were both trying to apply for this.
हाँ हाँ. वो ट्रेन सुबह पहुंचती है 5 साढ़े 5 बजे. तो वी रीच द रेलवे स्टेशन, दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन. वहाँ हमने थोड़ा चेंज वेंज किया बस रेलवे स्टेशन पर ही, थोड़ा मुँह में धोया, आई मीन गॉट रेडी एंड वी डिडंट नो वेयर टू गो. Then we asked around those people there, तो उन्होंने कहा कि you go to ministry's office. Ministry's office is in South Delhi somewhere, near that in what is it, gateway of India Gate. So we took the scooter and went there. There's a huge campus, many buildings. Anyway, we went to Ministry of Foreign Affairs. तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फॉरेन अफेयर्स में उन्होंने कहा ये कहाँ घूम रहे हो. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फॉरेन अफेयर्स में जो फॉरेन असाइनमेंट सेक्शन है वो तो शास्त्री भवन में है. शास्त्री भवन वाज इन दी सिटी, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट बिल्डिंग, वेरी डिफरेंट लोकेशन. Imagine, you cannot imagine, but I can. I'm thinking of what a big hustle and bustle. We took a scooter from there. We went to Shastri Bhavan. Now Shastri Bhavan is a multi-story building, probably 13-14 story building or many story building. We didn't know which level we had to go. So again started asking, where is assignment section, foreign assignment section. Somebody told us, okay, all right, this is 4th floor. And 4th floor there are 200 rooms. I mean scores of rooms. Where to go? We have been asking that we want to meet Mr. Joshi and we have come for that purpose. Everybody said no, no, no. Believe me, it was almost from 8 o'clock to 1 o'clock, midday, noon. We failed. We didn't find anybody. But then by this time, both of us, we were hungry. So we decided, okay, let's go to the canteen and eat something. And we'll go back if nothing is found. There's nothing. नौकरी तो कर ही रहे हैं. We went into the canteen and we ate that पूरी छोले. पूरी छोले खा के बाहर निकल रहे सीगे. Now, look at the nature, the chance. बाहर निकल रहे सीगे. A man behind us said, "Oh, Joshi Saab." नहीं, Joshi Saab, his name was some Joshi. तो we heard, तो जोशी साहब ने कहा की गल है. वो कहता जी ओ मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਪੈਨ ਲੈਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ. We didn't hear that anyway. Both of us were ran to Joshi, and when I came close to him and said, I am G.S. Palji, I have come from Chandigarh, I am working in government college. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਲ ਰਾਤੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਕਰਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ. ਉਹ ਕਮਰੇ 'ਚ ਬਹਿ ਜਾਓ, ਜਾ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਾਂਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹਾਂ. But he didn't care for us anyway. But there are so many people, how do you expect somebody to care for me? I had not known to him. Anyway, we thought that, okay, we have met the man and he has said कि देखो मैं की कर सकता हूँ. इंटरव्यू सिर्फ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਰਜਿਸਟਰ ਸੀਗਾ, ਸਾਡਾ ਨਾਂ ਰਜਿਸਟਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ. ਬਹਿ ਗਏ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ As we sat, there were around little less than 100 people. The hall was full actually. You can say 80 to 100 people sitting there. Oh, a man came and started distributing the forms to be filled in. And that man gave me the form also. And to that gentleman. We filled in the form. वो सब पढ़ता मैं. By that time I was very well qualified. I had MSc Honours in Zoology, MSc Honours in Biochemistry, Master's degree in Education, and a diploma course in French, वगैरह वगैरह, and advanced certificate in physiology of reproduction from Delhi University. So academically चंगा लगता सीगा. वो पढ़ता. And they collected the form. They didn't know that my name is not on the list, but he collected the form.
Because you had not registered.
I was not registered. Collected the form, so the form went to somebody. They sort out the forms according to qualification. I don't know what, but my name was not there. But the form was there. Now, जोशी आया. मैंने कहा जोशी साहब का तो बैठा बैठा देखता हूँ की कर सकता हूँ. He didn't know that I have already filled up the form. He was a busy man और बड़े बंदे और वो की जड़ा साड़ी काउंसिल ज़ाम्बिया तो उन्होंने अटेंड उटेंड कर रहे सीगा. वो फार्म मेरा भरे गए जी. तो when they had sorted out the form, see now, where God, when they sorted out the form, yes, when they sorted out the form, my form was number one. I'm not deriving pride out of it, but that was because of my qualification. BA, BT, MSA, one of the requirements is BA, BT, I'll tell you. So all of us sat. Around 3 o'clock, they started interview. And a gentleman came out and said, "Who is Gursherinder Singh Paul?" I was shocked. My name was not there in the list. So I went in, and Secretary Education, I don't know, I've forgotten his name. He said, he flipped the form and he said, "Where is your qualification? I don't see it." I have MSc Honours in Zoology and I'm MEd. "We want BA BT. Are you BA?" I said, "No sir, I am BSc. After BSc, don't waste my time. We want BA BT." What? This was Secretary of Education from Zambia. He didn't know that BA, BSc, and you get MSc after BSc and MEd after BT. उनको क्या पता वो? He was Form 5 GCE O level. क्या बात? Anyway, the Indian person sitting by his side, he said, "Sir, he is more qualified than BA. He is a science teacher. He will teach a science only." "Oh, you teach science?" I said, "Yes, I do." "But you have been wasting time. After BSc you could teach. Why this MSc and MEd? How many years?" I kept quiet because he was almost ridiculing me, white person. But that gentleman said that, "Sir, he is very well qualified and he is more qualified than the persons you are looking for." As he was trying to explain him, he was not bothered about what the other person is saying. He flipped through my form. Interesting story again. He flipped through my form and there was written Raghbir Kaur Pal, my wife's name. And her qualification was BA BT. While flipping the form, he held the form there and he said, "Where is this Raghbir Kaur Pal?" I told that she's my wife. "Where is she?" I said, "Sir, she is at home. Go and call him." I said, "She's 250 miles away from here. She is at Chandigarh." "What Chandigarh? What? Can she come for the interview?" Then again that gentleman told that she cannot come. She is very far from here. And all right, we need only BAVTs. And he threw my form. And I came out. So do you think I could even guess that I'll be selected? No. So he was also interviewed like that, but he was little like that. I mean, English was not very good, वगैरह वगैरह. So both of us, we came back and we thought we have wasted our money. This was 21st to 22nd of November 71. Came back and started our job, and in December we had a break and we went to Dalhousie. We locked our so-called that house and went to Dalhousie, me, Biro and Daisy. We spent there around 15-20 days. We were allowed actually, Punjab University lecturers were allowed to stay there. There was a guest house. You can stay there. They used to charge only 1 rupee per month. And it was fully furnished, everything there, khana, pina, vagara. So we spent a good time there. Now, 31st of December, we returned back. And when we returned back, I opened the door. There was a letter lying on the floor, slipped through the door. I picked up the letter. I said, it's okay. It's just letter. I'll read it later on. Let's go in and change. And then my wife said, no, chithi to dekho ki diya hai. I opened the letter, and this letter read that you have been selected for the job of education officer in the Ministry of Education, Government of Zambia. And you have to report before 12th of May. Oh, we were all shocked. We never expected that.
And so how many days were left till 12th May? What was the date?
This was 1st January.
Oh.
We got this letter on 1st January 72. And I was supposed to reach there by May, which means 4 months. 4 months. 1st May was our reporting. Oh, then we were all sort of very happy, and we have been looking for a job. Or actually, I have been looking for doing some PhD, higher studies, but I got a job that was marvelous, and government job, and lot of money, I mean. So then we started doing the preparation to come to India. come to Zambia. Now, coming from India to Zambia is not a difficult job, but leaving the job, Government College Chandigarh job was an excellent job. It's very difficult to get that job. Government job was number 1, 2 in Chandigarh, 3 Raghuveer was also working, and we had a very good house. My house was very close to the college. Everything was set. So when we told our parents, except my father was saying, go, don't worry, sab chak denge phate. Everybody was saying, don't go, there are snakes, they'll bite you, they'll kill you. Daisy was small, of course. Mar jayega tu. We asked the neighbors, I asked the friends. Anyway, the decision was made when I went to the college and I told my principal. I showed that letter to my principal. So what should I do? When she read my scale and salary, package, she said, go, don't worry. And the dialogue she spoke was wonderful. She said, I have been working in this position for 38 years. I'll be retiring. The principal saying that she'll be retiring, Mrs. Dhillon. She'll be retiring after 1 month, and she'll be getting only 30,000 rupees. And her salary has been around 4,000 or 5,000 rupees per month. That's the maximum salary one can get. Here you just go, principal is explaining me, just go, you get 10 times more salary, number 1. Number 2, when you come back, you will get 10 times more money as your gratuity after 3 years. I am getting that after 38 years. You get 10 times more after 3 years. What are you thinking? Then I said, Madam, government ki naukri hai, ye achhi hai. She said, don't worry. This type of job you can get in India at any time. Go. That was 3 years contract, of course. When she said so, and my father also supported me, then I stopped thinking about other people. Even Raghuveer was not very willing to go to Zambia and etc. And finally, we made the decision that we'll go to Zambia. And then I submitted my papers to the college for relieving me for going abroad. And they relieved me, of course, by May, 31st May, they relieved me. So I was ready to go to Zambia. That's enough for today.